So, I was on a phone call with one of my friends. Let's say his name is Rohit. A couple of weeks ago. He's 20 years old and he's just started investing into the stock markets after realizing the importance of investing early. So, he opened his Demat account and decided to invest 40,000 rupees into it. Now, after doing his research, he shortlisted two companies, TCS and Wipro, to invest in. But he wanted to select one out of these two companies and he was confused which one to select because, according to his research, both the companies were equally good and he was expecting both the companies to give equal amount of returns. Now, the question is which one should he select? Should he select TCS, which was trading at 4,000 rupees, or should he select Wipro, which was trading at 400 rupees? The answer to this question is in the next part of the video. But what will you do if you are in this situation? Do let me know in the comments below. So, what did I tell him? Did I tell him to invest in TCS or did I tell him to invest in Wipro? I told him that it does not matter. And I remember him laughing from the other hand and saying, Ki, you don't know anything. Have you gone crazy? How does it not matter? If I invest in TCS, I will only get 10 shares. But if I invest in Wipro, I will get 100 shares. How does it not matter? I told him that you need to understand you are investing 40,000 rupees into a company, whether it be TCS or Wipro, whether the share price is 4,000 or 400, or the number of shares you'll get is 10 or 100. It really doesn't matter because the invested amount is 40,000 rupees. And this is the point which I want you all to understand and remember whenever you are investing into the equity markets. Never ever see the price of the share and shortlist the company. There can be companies which have a higher price but are small cap companies. On the other hand, there can be companies which have a lower price but are large cap companies. So you need to understand and analyze which company you are investing in. For example, on one end we have MRF, which is trading at 80,000 rupees, but the market cap of this company is around 35,000 crores. And on the other hand, we have ITC, which is trading around 235 to 40 levels, and the market cap of this company is around 3 lakh crores. So you need to analyze the company not by looking at the price of the company, but what size the company is. Is it a small cap, large cap, or mid cap? See, there are various other factors that you need to analyze before selecting. The point of making this video was there are many people who are selecting the company that they want to invest only by looking at the price. And I have also done that mistake as well, selecting the companies which are trading at 50, 60, 70 rupees and not understanding that you are investing a particular amount in this company. It does not matter how many shares you hold. It is about how much money you are investing in that company. So this is the end of this particular video. I hope you liked it. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and share it with your family members and friends so that they can also learn from this. See you in my next video. Till then, invest soch samajh ke.